video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is A1. Class size is 20 to 30. Class length is 45 minutes, and the topic is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Warm-up. Frozen picture. The students work in groups of 3. They must make a scene from their favorite fairy tale. If a teacher touches their shoulder, they have to say what their character would say in the story. Warm-up. Guessing. Teacher tells the students that they're going to listen or watch a fairy tale. Students guess which one. Main task. Drama activities for key vocabulary. Students watch the video along on YouTube. They have to make a list of all the characters. Students read the story, make 4 to 5 drawings, and retell the story. Post-task. Focus on form. Students form groups of 4. They have to make their own drawing of a certain scene in the story. They present their work to the class. The other students need to count all the different things in the drawings. Post-task. Transition. Students act out their scene with a simple dialogue. Each student should say at least one sentence.